Hi guys, I'm Rob from Currys, and today we're taking a look at 3 top features of this, the Dell Inspiron 15 laptop. It's got an 11th generation Intel Core i3 processor, it's got a lightweight design, and it helps you stay entertained. I'm off to the lab to check it out. It runs on an 11th gen Intel Core i3 processor, which is basically the brain of the laptop. It gives you all the power you need to get stuff done, making sure you get a performance that's super speedy and responsive. Now, having a slow laptop can be really frustrating as it can really get in the way of things, so it's crucial that you can have all of your most used apps without any fuss. Plus, you don't have to worry about lag either, even when you're streaming content or working on multiple things at the same time. It really lends itself to use on the go, thanks to its lightweight design, which makes it easy to carry around with you, whether that's tucked underneath your arm on the way to a meeting or popped in your bag when you're on the train. Plus, it's got a battery life of over 6.5 hours, which means you can make the most of it when you're out and about. You can really make the most of everything that you watch and listen to. TV shows and movies will look great on the full HD display, which gives you a nice sharp picture with plenty of detail. Plus, it's got an anti-glare screen, which means you can watch wherever you want without worrying that the lighting's going to ruin your view. And then you've got a powerful pair of speakers which complement the great visuals, giving you a well-rounded entertainment experience. If you'd like to find out more information about this Dell laptop, you can visit us in store, online, or chat to one of our tech experts on a Shop Live video call.